Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at contractions which are very commonly used interesting language structures. So contractions are shortened forms of a word or a group of words that omit a certain letter or sounds. So in most contractions, an apostrophe is used instead of the missing letter, and most contractions are made up of verbs, auxiliaries, or modal verbs attached to other words. So a few examples would be isn't instead of is not, or hasn't for has not, or there for they are, or you're for you are, and she'd for she had or she would, or it's for it is. So you'll realize you must have heard these contractions in your everyday life quite often. And considering they are common in speech, we don't always take the time to pronounce them precisely, which can lead to particular contraction mistakes that writers make when they're not paying attention. So one thing you should keep in mind when you're pronouncing it or writing it should be that you pronounce it precisely so that you don't make any mistakes when you're writing it. Like, for example, could have or should have, more often than not, sounds pretty identical to could have or should have. So that is one thing you should keep in mind when you're using contractions. Apart from that, contractions are really easy to use, and again, like I said, pretty commonly used in our everyday lives. Apart from these, there are also other rather informal uses for contractions, like, for example, y'all instead of you all, or also gonna instead of going to, or wanna instead of want to. But these are usually used in a really informal manner in our everyday lives, and they are written without an apostrophe. So that was a quick look into what exactly contractions are, and various examples of how they are used. I hope you found this video interesting, and do subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on new videos. And thank you for watching.